Just when you thought there was not a reason for you to own another mag pin, Coach Carp, this one is not for you. This one is actually for people who own the VTS or the VTS Lite system. What makes this one different is it's got a longer grip for one, which makes it a little bit easier to grab a hold of or whatever when you compare it to previous versions or other versions like the standard one here from JD Jim Equipped. But also it has this flat edge on it that's going to be directly in line or completely flush with the other side of the pin. And the reason for that, just like you've seen the perch or the dock from Bulletproof Fitness and from Bridge Built, it's going to serve the same basic purpose. Now, clearly not quite as cool or all-encompassing, also not quite as expensive and a little bit more versatile because it still serves the same purpose as a mag pin, but then also serves as this kind of dock. The other cool thing I think about this over what reservations have been about the dock or the perch is that with this one, when it's not in use, you have a place. Let me see if I can get this in frame. But right here in this little hex port hole, you can just stick it in there. And because it's magnetic, it's going to hold just like, you know, a magnet holds to metal. And it's not going to jar loose or anything like that. Pretty cool. It's also stainless steel and knurled, and this one has the cool MWPiG logo on it. Yours probably won't, because you're not cool. And of course, if you have the VTS and you've got the rubber bumpers on the front and back, you can also use it on the front of your upright if you want to. Doesn't really matter. Front or side, same thing. It's just going to give you a 1-inch difference there, just like if you had like west side hole spacing or something like that. But pretty cool. JD Jim Equipped. You should grab one of these or a pair of these. I don't know what he's calling them. Maybe they're called pig pins. I don't think so. I just made that up. Whatever they are, get a hold of JD Jim Equipped. Pick those up before somebody else starts making them. Ooh, what?